Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark and this is the last video for the 4-part series on how to set up your Lasco smart home devices. So in this video, I will show you how to set up your LED strips, your Lasco LED strips, and how to attach it in your Google Home setup. And for the last one, this one I'm pretty excited about kasi first time kong magkaroon nito. So let's see. So it's the Lasco Smart Smart LED Strip Light, compatible with Alexa din, Google Home and Google Home Assistant. Then the the IFTTT na app. That's if then this that. So, pwede mong i-set up kung if naka-on to, then magta-turn off to, and then ito. Parang ganon. So, yun yung app na yun. Ipe-play niya yung routines mo sunod-sunod. So, pwede compatible to. So, let's set this up. My plan is to put it in my desk and then kung may excess behind my monitor. So, ito yung kanina natin binuksan. Okay. So, it's pretty straightforward. Let's plug this in, then plug this in. This is your Wi-Fi module, and then you plug in. I think they're the same either way. So let's plug this in. It's a 4-pin and meron siyang indicator, may arrow siya if you can see. So yung arrow na yon dapat magtugma din sa arrow. I'm not sure if you can see it. Sa arrow sa isa't isa. So may arrow dito, may small indentation, and then meron din dito. So dapat magsasalubong siya. There. So by default, mag-on siya pala. Wow. So it's blinking. It's blinking red. Okay. So instead na dito yung light niya, ito yata yung light niya. So let's see. So let's add sa Lasco app. So we'll already have our stand fan and flamingo there. Gray na siya kasi nakatanggal. Now let's press plus, and then nasa lighting siya. Lighting. And then you'll see strip lights, BLE, Wi-Fi, or strip lights Wi-Fi. Yung atin, Wi-Fi lang. This one, it's the Wi-Fi version. So let's add it to strip lights Wi-Fi. The same Wi-Fi. We want to connect it the same Wi-Fi. Now, if the light is blinking rapidly, please skip this reset step. So hindi na, nag-blink na siya. So confirm na blinking. Or else, pwede mong just follow the instructions again. So, sa atin, first time ko tong in-on, so nag-blink siya. Next. So, hahanapin niya to. Ito mismo yung module. Okay. So, let's see kung mahahanap niya. Again, kung hindi niya mahanap, it's the same. As the same as the one we did for this one. Nahahanapin niya as an access point. So, ayun, nag-green siya. Meaning, nakita siguro siya. So, let's see. So, there are two types again kung paano mo i-connect. This one, the auto search one, or the access point one. Yung magko-connect siya doon mismo as Wi-Fi. Ayun, so nakita na siya. Added LED strip, successful. Let's try to rename it here directly. So, let's try table lights. Save. Okay. And then, done. Okay, so it's right there. Now, what unique about this is RGB to. So, pwede mong touch mo, on, off. Oh, pretty amazing. And it's pretty bright too. Okay, and then pwedeng color. You can choose any color. Red, yellow, where's the green, blue. So, depende sa mood mo, kung anong gusto mo. Then, pwedeng balik. The default one is green if you click on it. And then pwedeng brighter, darker. Let's see. red, darker, or brighter. Brighter. This is the brightest. And then pwedeng plain. Let's go back to plain. What does that mean? Oh, so pwedeng mo i-mix towards the white, plain or bright. So let's say bright, so it's pure red. So yung brightness niya. Okay, let's go back to green. Green, darker, meaning darker yung environment or brighter. And then plain, moving towards the white one. Okay, very nice. So, balik tayo. Ano pang pwede? Pwedeng scenes. Pwedeng soft. Pwedeng rainbow. What happens to rainbow? Okay. So, it will switch dun sa primary colors. Pwedeng mag-shine. Okay. Party. So, iba-ibang colors. You can pretty much add your nightlight. You can pretty much add stuff. You can edit what lights you want to turn it into, and then program it and save it. We'll do that later on. And then what happened? So let's go back. So pwede ring timer. You can add timers kung automatically mag-on siya, mag-off siya, and stuff. So it's the same as a normal light. So, pwede to sa ilalim ng bar, pwede sa likod ng TV, as long as ito may access to your Wi-Fi. And then, if you can see, meron siyang 3M tape underneath. So, pwede mong diretso siya i-tape sa anywhere. And it's 3M, so it's pretty tough. Okay? So, let's go back to just green. There we go. So, let's see if kayang i-control ni Google. Again, let's go back to our Google Home. And then, remember yung Lasco natin kanina, naka-add na. So, it should go here. Table lights is already there. Pero walang room. So, let's move it somewhere else. Let's move it to my home. And then, move it to my living room again. And then, malilipat lang yung device doon. And then, you can turn it off here. And then, yung brightness, nandito rin. So, like any other lights. And then, the color is also here. Let's say red. Or green. Okay, so, dahil nandito na siya diretso, medyo limited lang yung color palettes nito. Pero, mas accessible siya if you want to go straight to the app. So let's see if Google can change this. Hey Google, turn off the table lights. Okay, so let's say, hey Google, turn on the table lights. Okay Google, turn the table lights to red. So, yung basic colors, kayang-kayang makuha ni Google. Okay, Google, turn the table lights to yellow. Yan. So, okay, Google, turn off the table lights. There. So, tapos ko nang i-set up yung LED strip lights. And I just want to show you how it turned out. So, okay, Google, turn on table lights.
Got it. Turning the table lights on.
Yan. So, linagay ko sa ilalim temporarily at saka sa pinaikot ko dahil maliit lang yung table ko and it's 2 meters. So, napaikot ko ng konti. And ito yung finished product. So, okay Google, turn off the lights. Ayan. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. If you have questions on how to set up your smart home devices, feel free to put in your comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Okay, Google? Goodbye.
Sure.